Hey guys, this is Stevie. I'm playing QWOP, or if you want to say QWOP. As you see, I was playing. It's kind of a fun game. Like, if you want to stop, you don't really stop. You just want to get to the end. So, let's play. Okay, let's see. My best was 3 meters, so, wait, I don't know, because I was playing this game a couple of times. I think my best was like a 7. Let's see if I get past that. No. Wow, that was bad. No, that was really bad. Ugh. Come on. Come on. Nope. Don't fail me. Yeah, you're gonna fail me. Wow. You didn't even pass the finish line. I mean, the starting line. Why did I say finish line? Wow, that was worse than the other one. Okay, I'm doing good. No, no. Oh yeah, my best was like a 7. Ooh, I broke my leg. That does not look good. Okay. Oh, we're doing good. Come on, let's get back. No. Bad. Let's go. No, yeah. My best was 7-4. There, if you saw it. I'm gonna fail. That was bad. See? No. That was bad as well. Oh, I don't like that sound. I'm just gonna... there we go. No. I don't like that sound. I don't like that sound. Ooh, I was running. I'm running. No! I'm bad at this game. Good. Actually walking. Come on, get past. Whoa, I got past it. Come on, you can do it. Let's get up to 9. Woohoo, got 9. Awesome. That's what I wanted to get up to. Oh, let's see if we can pass 9. Okay. Nah. Come on. Whoa. Whoa. What? Okay. It's like a pattern thing. Oh. You have to press like Q, O, and then... Wait, no. Q... You have to press like W, O, and then Q, P. I guess that's why it's called QWOP. It sounds funny. QWOP. You're good. No, don't fail. Oh, no. Oh, I got to 9 meters. 9.9 meters, though. Showing real courage, you ran 9.9 meters. Everyone's a winner. Sure. That's what you say. No. Wow. If I saw somebody running like that, I would be like totally disgusted if like they broke their legs like that. Like, and I heard, see, look at that. Look at this. If somebody broke their leg like that, I would be like, oh. I'm just like concentrating. I don't want to talk. Whoa. That was bad. Come on. No. Alright. This is gonna be my last turn. Oh. No, this is gonna be. Nope. I'm just gonna. This is gonna be it. I guess not. What the heck? No. I thought it was. Oh. Okay. No. Okay. I'm doing good. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I'm about to go to 20. Concentrating TV. Almost made it. Oh my gosh. I got 19.1 meters. Well, I'm gonna end it there. So, yeah. Play this game. It's kind of fun. And, yeah.